In this tutorial, I will show you how to design this milestone post for your Instagram in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new file, size 1080 by 1350 pixels. Now go to View and choose New Guide Layout. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now again go to View and choose Lock Guides. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Choose the colors that you want. I'm choosing blue and green. Now take the Type tool and write your milestone. Press Ctrl T and scale it. Press Ctrl A and center it horizontally and vertically. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Go to Layer Style and choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings. Add Gradient Overlay. Follow these settings. Now add Bevel and Emboss. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Right click here and choose Create Layer. Now let's select these layers while holding the Shift button and group them by pressing Ctrl G. Choose this shadow layer and press Ctrl T. Click this warp button. When you finish, press Enter. Now create new blank layer by pressing Ctrl Shift N. Change the mode to Color Dodge. Tick this button. Choose the Brush tool. Reduce its size. Right click and choose clipping mask. Start painting. Make sure the foreground color is white. Reduce the fill. Start painting. We are adding a bit of light to our text. Press Ctrl A. Choose the selection tool. Right click and choose transform selection. Press Ctrl R to show the rulers. Let's put a guide in the middle. When you finish, press enter. Go to select and choose deselect. Let's select these two layers and move them a bit to the right. Create new layer. Choose the selection tool. Press Alt backspace to fill it with the foreground color, or go to edit and choose fill. Add layer mask. Choose the gradient tool. Delete layer mask. Reduce the fill. Add layer mask. Delete layer mask. Add layer mask. Delete layer mask. Let's change the font. Let's change the font. Press Ctrl T and scale it. Let's put it on top of the layers. Go to layer style and choose stroke. Follow these settings. Add a drop shadow. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Now let's add our copyright. I will take it from an older post. That's it. You can still change the background gradient colors. That's it. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial and hit the like button.